Here's my tools. Now, the cool part I love about this is an atlas. Now, I clicked on the atlas, and because I have multiple screens, it's going to open me up to my Bible atlas. And so if I want to study anywhere in the scriptures, I'm going to click on this hyperlink for Ahaziah of Israel asked counsel from the Philistine deity, and boom, right here, it's going to give me information on this flag right here. If I click on the flag, I put my cursor over the flag. It tells me Samaria, capital city of northern kingdom of Israel. It gives me the direction of which they traveled down to Ekron. Put my tab there. It tells me here one of the 5 principal Philistine cities. And this is the reign of Ahaziah of Israel. See that? The Ahaziah of Israel. So I come over here to my top topography map, and it lets me know where his reign started in Samaria. It gives me roads. There's my compass. And so it's really kind of cool. And you have this to help you understand when you are studying. You can go to your Bible atlas and just break it down. So if you have multiple screens on your computer, you're going to love this even the better. I'm going to get out of here so that we can go back over here. So the tools are right here, and it comes standard with any software that you get with Logos 10. Now, if you're a minister, you want to pay attention to your sermon builder. There's your sermon builder. Your sermon manager. So if you're doing a series and it coordinates with your church calendar, totally cool. You can even drop media. So let me click on here. Here's the media. It opens up to a whole nother page. Now, this is the different types of media that you can look and utilize in your sermons. Isn't that amazing? Let me click on here and see what it says. I just push play. Isaiah 11, 1 through 9. This is the animated version. Thank you for teaching youth
There
studies.
shall come forth a shoot from the stump of Jesse, and a branch from his roots shall bear fruit. And the Spirit of the Lord shall rest upon him, the Spirit of wisdom and understanding, the Spirit of counsel.
I mean, how cool is that to have media files available to help you study and break down? You can upload the media as well. So I'm going to click out of that. And this is in your tools. All this comes ready, available in your tools. You can do text comparison, and I would encourage you to utilize text comparison. And it shows the current passage in multiple versions and the differences between the multiple versions when they transliterated the scriptures. Logos has everything on lock when it comes to this. So you even have charts, you have your guide editor, you have highlighting. And on the next platform, this self-text testing provides links to self-tests you've started. And right now, because I'm on the basic, I don't have this tool widely available. So when I upgraded to Logos 10, I didn't get this next premium plan. Logos 9 was really kind of cool. I had the plan to do all the testing. Say hello to your degrees. So your sentence diagrammer, I click on that. I want you to look at this. It's really kind of cool. You can actually insert a passage or a reference or pick a Bible, choose a diagramming style, and select an alternate text. This is the coolest thing. And you would love this. So, Logos has put together an amazing software, and you can get your hands on it. There's a link in this description. There's so much on here. You know, I'm going to come back and do this is kind of like a broad stroke through Logos 10. because the bells and whistles when you start going into this is really kind of cool. Let me share with you on the homepage. Let me show you the homepage. Just showing you the homepage. I'm going to scroll down to what they offer. So I have 10 free resources every month. 10 free resources, right? There's Pentecostal theology. There's a pre-publication. I can pre-order that. This is your shopping center for Logos and FaithLife. And you're going to find, as I scroll down, they have not missed anything in Logos 10. I think they've pretty much outdone themselves. This is my homepage for Logos 10. There's a blog right here, Christmas Story in Luke 5. Words you're probably missing in Luke 5 because some of the words have been removed, omitted. There's an excerpt on Ruth the Moabitess. There's January's free audiobook. Again, I told you, FaithLife brings free material to their supporters and their customers. And it's really kind of cool. Okay. This is the homepage. There's my free book of the month for January by FaithLife. This is my free book. I probably would never, ever leave my partnership with FaithLife just because the enormity of content and materials that they have to offer you. This is my homepage. So you're seeing my homepage. From my library, to let you know, it reminds me of what maybe I could probably look at in my library as I'm studying. So I was doing, at one point, I was doing a breakdown of the four councils. This is the Nicene and post-Nicene fathers. St. Augustine, the writings against the Nicene Creed. So this right here, I'm telling you, is really kind of, this is like the Cadillac. This is the Maserati of biblical software programs. And you can get your hands on it. I'm here, study Bible series, learn how to use your logos for academic and theological study. If I were to click on that, it's going to take you right into a new page. It's going to load up here. And there's video vignettes. So if I click on one, this is 5 minutes, but I'll give you just a little bit of sound on it.
In this video, you'll learn how to use the highlighting tool as you begin the first step in the inductive Bible study.